Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jen and this is Jen Ed. Today, super simple, super easy, super quick. This is going to be some easy peasy, sweet potato casserole. Sweet potato casserole. This recipe only has 3 ingredients. You could add some more, like some seasonings and whatever, make it a little more complex, a little more fancy pants. But this is not what this video is about. This is super easy. For sweet potato casserole, all you really need are 3 things. Sweet potato, butter, and marshmallows. I've already got the oven preheating to 400 degrees, so let's go. Step 1. Cut your sweet potatoes in half. Done. Put the sweet potatoes, cut side down, on a buttered cooking sheet and bake for 45 minutes at 400 degrees. Done. Now get a bowl, a stick of butter, and then use a spoon to scrape out all the sweet potato out of the skins. Salt and pepper at the taste. Mash it or whip it depending on which texture you're going for, and put it in a baking pan. Ta-da! Now we just throw in some marshmallows and throw it back in the oven. 10 minutes later, the mushrooms have puffed up and it's golden brown and it's ready to go. So there you have it. Easy peasy sweet potato casserole.